Bonjour les amis, hello! Today we are going to learn a new French lesson. Moi aussi, moi non plus, moi si, moi non. This is a short French lesson, but important. Et si vous voulez regarder cette leçon avec toutes les explications en français, eh bien, vous savez que vous pouvez cliquer ici sur YouTube ou ailleurs si vous êtes sur un autre réseau social parce que j'ai enregistré cette vidéo deux fois, une fois en français et une fois en anglais. So here we are going to study all this, but I'm going to explain in English. Okay, let's start. So the first sentence is j'aime jardiner. I like to garden. I like gardening. J'aime jardiner. So the answer, moi aussi. So that means that I agree because me too, I like to garden. J'aime jardiner, moi aussi. Moi aussi. So this is an affirmative sentence and you agree, so you answer with moi aussi. And you can change the pronoun. You can say elle aussi, elle aussi. And what is elle? Elle is not a pronoun subject. No, because moi is not a pronoun subject. It is not je. So what is it? This is a tonic pronoun. Tonic. You know about the tonic pronouns? Maybe you know it already because I've made a lesson about it and I talk about that from time to time because I think it's good to repeat to remember. But today I'm going to repeat it again quickly. Alors, what is the list of the tonic pronouns you can use in this situation? Moi, toi, lui, elle, nous, vous, eux. This is maybe more difficult for you to pronounce. Elle. Okay. So you can say moi aussi, toi aussi, lui aussi for a man, elle aussi for a woman, nous aussi, or nous aussi. You can make the liaison, but it's a bit more formal. And when we speak, most of the time we don't make the liaison, we go fast and we say nous aussi. Vous aussi, en vous aussi. Eux aussi, elles aussi. You can also say elles aussi, but as I said, this is more sophisticated and a bit more formal, less used. Okay? Okay, so let's go back to our example. Second example, je n'aime pas cuisiner. So this is a negative sentence. Je n'aime pas cuisiner. I don't like to cook. And the answer is moi non plus. Moi non plus. That means that you agree with the person and you answer a negative sentence with a negative answer. Moi non plus. Me neither in English. Moi non plus. You don't pronounce the final S. Moi non plus. Okay? This is very important. If you pronounce the final S here, this is going to be very weird. Okay? I know this is a little detail, a small detail, but this is very important. Okay? Because we have also the word plus, which means more. So here that would be very weird. D'accord? So again, you can use another pronoun. Lui non plus. Lui non plus. He doesn't like to cook either. Lui non plus. Elle non plus, nous non plus, vous non plus. You use the tonic pronouns as I told you. Okay, third example. Je n'aime pas faire du sport. You can also say je n'aime pas faire de sport. And usually we use de when you have the negation. Je n'aime pas faire de sport. Je n'aime pas faire du sport. Moi si. So here you have a negative sentence and you don't agree. So you answer moi si. J'aime faire du sport. You don't like, but I do. Moi si. Moi si. And you can change the pronoun, of course. Nous si, vous si, eux si, elle si. Okay? fourth and last. J'aime conduire. I like to drive. I like driving. Moi non. So this is an affirmative sentence and you don't, so you say moi non. Moi non. D'accord? You change the pronoun. J'aime conduire, vous non, eux non, elle non. Okay? So this is a bit complicated, a lot of expressions for such an easy things to say. Okay, so yes, in French we like to complicate a little bit things, but that's the beauty of French, okay? So to summarize everything and to be clear, and I want to make sure that you understood everything, I created a table for you to summarize all of what we've studied. So first, if you have an affirmation, j'aime le sport. Your opinion is identical. You say moi aussi. Different, moi non. So here you like the sport, here you don't like sports. Je n'aime pas le sport. I don't like sport. This is the negation. Your opinion is identical. You say moi non plus. Different, moi si. So here you don't like sport and here you like sport. Moi aussi, moi non, moi non plus, moi si. Voilà, so I hope you understood everything, and if you have any questions, you can ask them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to activate the bell if you want to receive all my French lessons. And if you want to challenge yourself, now you understood the main points of the lesson, you can watch this lesson in French so that you can practice also more of your understanding. Voilà, je vous souhaite une très très bonne journée et je vous dis à très bientôt pour une nouvelle leçon de français. Ciao, ciao!